Today I'm going to take my 2014 Chrysler Town & Country. It's got the 430 display with the navigation and the satellite. I'm going to install this PAC NU-CHY2 unit. It should unlock the navigation and the DVD while the vehicle is in motion, and possibly the backup camera too. I'm not sure about the backup camera because the instructions do talk about running a separate power wire. So we'll give it a shot and see what it's doing. So for the first step, I removed this bezel. I simply pulled it out a little bit and used a screwdriver to get it out. It's got a couple tangs on the side. So once you get that out, there is 4 bolts here. I'm not sure the exact size. It's got a Phillips head, so I just used my Phillips driver. Once you get that out, you can simply just give a tug on the head unit and it will come out. Pretty simple. I should have a towel so this doesn't scratch the dashboard, but basically what we're going to do is unplug this, and then on this PAC, there's a daisy chain type connector. That connector goes in here, and this goes into the radio. After that, everything should be all set. Okay, I went ahead and connected everything. Now I'm going to go ahead and put those 4 bolts back, and then put this bezel back on, and then we'll give it a shot. Alright, everything's back up. Now you can see I'm on the navigation screen, and the address, I could go ahead and click it and put in an address if I wanted to. Now here's the key. So OEM, this is what happens. You have it in drive, you hit gas, and the address goes gray. You can no longer hit the address. Okay, now to show the OEM behavior of the DVD player. Right now I'm on the disc menu of what I have in there. Sorry for the screen flicker. This is just what the cell phone does when you record at the refresh rate that the LCD is putting out. But anyways, right now it's in park. Put in drive, goes away. Does not let you see it. So let's see if this PAC works. So it says I need to hit the source button for 2 seconds to activate the PAC. So here we go. 1, 2. Alright, there we go. Press again to confirm safe passenger use. Okay, it's activated. So now let's see what this does. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and disc, play, or disc menu. Alright, there we go. Go to put it in drive. Look at that. It's working nice. Alright, now my passenger can safely use that if they chose to. I wouldn't recommend the driver watching it, of course. Now let's try the navigation. Okay, we'll hit nav. Where to? There it is right there. I'm going to go ahead and pass. Alright, it's not graying out. This is great. So if I hit where to, it allows me to access everything on the menu, as you can see. So that's great. Okay, now for the last and final test. We're going to see if the reverse camera works. So I'm going to hold down the preset button for a couple seconds. Alright, there we go. So that's great. This little unit unlocks the DVD, it unlocks the navigation, and it also unlocks the reverse camera. It's really good if you're towing something like a trailer and you just want to take a peek back there, but don't let it distract you, alright? You don't need another distraction while driving. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Every subscriber helps me out and gives me motivation to make another video. If this helped you out, give me a thumbs up as well. Have a good one.